How to update drivers on Windows 11 and Windows 10. First, right-click on the Start button. Select Device Manager. Now, choose the device whose driver you want to update. For example, here I will update the graphics card driver. I click on it. Right-click on the graphics card driver. Select Update Driver. Select Browse My Computer for drivers. Select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Click on the graphics card driver. Click Next. Once installed, the graphics card driver has been successfully updated on Windows 11 or Windows 10. The second method is to update the driver from the manufacturer's official website. Open a web browser. Go to google.com. Type the keyword download driver followed by your laptop model or motherboard name. To check your laptop or motherboard name, go to the search bar. Type the keyword SDIAG. Here, you can see the name of your motherboard or your laptop model, motherboard version, or your laptop model. Then, enter it here. Then, go to the manufacturer's official website. For example, here it is Gigabyte. Download the driver for the device you want to update. For example, here it will be the LAN driver. Download the latest version. Once downloaded, the driver will be in the Downloads folder. Open the folder. Select Downloads. Right-click on the graphics card driver. Select WinRAR. Select Extract to Plus folder name. In case you don't see the WinRAR option, then you need to download and install WinRAR on your computer to be able to extract the files. Open the folder you just extracted. Click on the installer. Select Yes. Click Next. Click Install. Select Finish. And just like that, you will have successfully updated the driver on Windows 11 or Windows 10.